The car provided a unique and unusual position from which to watch the engine at work. With Bob Ames at the throttle, this train rolls east out of Laramie. The 4000 class big boy locomotives were not only the largest locomotives on the railroad, they were the most powerful. These engines could develop over 6,000 horsepower at 35 miles per hour. Big boy locomotives were conceived and designed to lift trains up the 1.14% grades of the Wasatch Mountains between Ogden and Green River without helpers. As designed, the engines were rated at 3,600 tons over the Wasatch grade. Consistently delivering better performance than hoped for, the tonnage ratings for the engines on the Wasatch grade were upgraded to 4,200 tons. Toward the end of their careers, the locomotives were normally rated at 4,450 tons on the same grade. Fireboxes on the big boys were almost 20 feet long by 8 feet wide. They were designed to burn semi-bituminous coal from southern Wyoming mines, especially those at Rock Springs and